welcome back to our channel. This is FelBeckTV. Team Beck, are you there? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we post a video. And to our subscribers, I say I love you. Yeah, so today I'm going to revamp this bouquet. Let's see how it will turn up. I'm going to undo everything that is on it because the whites are dirty. So I'm going to take it all off and then see what I'll be able to come up with. I'm going to cut all around. I think I'll let go of all the white. I'll save the colors because I want the colors, the colored one. So after taking off the tissue flowers from the bouquet, I realized this is what the person used. It's like a mini bowl, and it was wrapped with a ribbon, and then the flowers was stuck on it with glue gun. So see how best we can make this new again. So it's like a mini bowl, and the person used cardboard to cover it and wrapped it all with ribbon to cover it up. So this is the bowl I'm talking about, and then this is the cardboard. All is said and done, and this is what we have here. I have my cone shaped bowl. You can use anything that comes in a cone shape. So there is this Kako cone shaped foam on the market. You can use that if you don't want to use a bowl. So if you are using the bowl type, or the Kako has this place all filled up, so you don't need anything covering. And then if you have to make a hole in your cover for your handle, you can use anything cylindrical to use for your handle, the length you want. You just create a hole that will fit it, and then you are done. I'm coming to cover it first before I fix my handle inside with my glue gun. And then I have here my ribbons. This is a shimmy type, like shine. And this is just a plain ribbon with my tissue papers here. You can see how whitish compared to this one. So this is from the old one, and this is what I'm going to use for the new one. You see the color difference. So this one looks quite dirty. At this point, guys, I'm done gluing my handle, the cover, and the cone together. So this is what I have. This is like the skeleton of the bouquet. So I'm coming to cover it all up with the ribbon to make it look presentable. You know what I mean? Yeah. So guys, I'm done with wrapping my bouquet skeleton, and this is how it turned out. So I'll be using my tissue paper. I'll be arranging them on it nicely like this. This is my first arrangement with my wine color and my whites. I kind of like how it's turning out. I'm loving it. I feel like I want to marry again. So guys, I'm done with the arrangement of the flowers. Hope it's looking nice. So I'm falling in love with this. I want to marry again. Serious. I'm saying this for the second time. Yeah, so I'm coming to fix in some greens and then work on the base, this part, and then the handle. Let's go. Looking for places I think when I fix them, they'll look nice. And then after I'll use the glue gun to glue them together. I'm done fixing the greens. I'm coming to apply this ribbon to cover up this place, this side. I'm coming to use this gold ribbon to cover it up to make it look nice. I'm coming to cover up this with the same thing I used for the ribbon. So guys, I'm done. Finally. This is how the handle and the base look like. Hope I tried revamping this bouquet. I hope my sister loves it. Yeah. For the love of my sister. Yeah. So guys, let me see your ratings in the comment section. And then if any of you need a bouquet, you can hit me up on the number on your screen, and then we can do a low-cost bouquet for you for your occasion, you know. Yeah, something cute, simple like this. Shout out to Tim Bell for directing this video. He said I should shout out, if not the video won't come out. So shout out to Tim Bell. Yeah, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, and then like, comment, and share. We love you guys.